Okay, so I'm going to get the gasket out of here and the locking nut. So we'll just thread the gasket on over the top there. Thread the ribbon cable up from the bottom and just gently push it up, and then thread the locking nut over the top. Oop, dropped it. There we go. And just rotate until you feel it lock into place. Make sure the camera module is facing forward. And there, that feels pretty tight. You don't want to over tighten it. Okay. So now this part, the ribbon cable, needs to feed through this little slot in here. Okay. And make sure too the silver contacts are facing that way. So your blue plastic tab here is facing towards the front of the boat. Okay. So there's not a whole lot of room here, but you can see I can pull it through maybe 5 or 6 centimeters, and make sure this black plastic tab here is pulled up away from the kind of beige area. Okay. And the blue faces forward. Slide it in, and then close the locking tabs in place, so you're done. And then you'll squeeze or push the hat back down onto the main board, and then you can take the 4 stainless steel screws, and I'll get my screwdriver. Okay, and I'll just screw those down onto the terminal posts, just to make sure it's locked into place and doesn't come off. It probably wouldn't come off anyway, but the screws are there, so I'll just use them.